Facebook login or sign up, step-by-step guide. In this video guide, we'll cover Facebook login/sign in, Facebook sign up, create Facebook account, Facebook login or sign up on mobile device, how to log out of Facebook, fix can't log into Facebook issue. 1. Facebook login/sign in at https://www.facebook.com or https://www.facebook.com/login.php. 2. Facebook sign up, create Facebook account at https://www.facebook.com/signup. 3. Facebook login. Or sign up on mobile and/or Windows, supported platform. 4. How to log out of Facebook. To do this, check the logout option at the bottom of the FB app. 5. Fix can't log into Facebook issue. Clear your browser cookies and cache. Change another, supported. Up to date, browser. Reset Facebook password. Use https://www.facebook.com/login/identify page. Recover your Facebook account in your friend's FB account. Path. Something else. Recover this account. Check if your Facebook account is banned. Access Facebook Help Center. Contact Facebook support.